To access your file manager, go to the top right drop-down menu and click File Manager. You can see all the photos you've used in your recent newsletters right here. You can upload new ones using this button, or you can go directly to an URL, your Google Drive. This is especially good if you're working with your team. You can use GIPHY or Unsplash. This is pretty awesome. Just press it. Search for any photos. Choose the photo, import, and you're ready to go. The other way of doing it is going straight to your campaigns, clicking Content in one of your drafts, click the image here again, and here you see the same panel. You can upload directly from here. Select, and there you go. Image changed. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon. You can also catch us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and if you hit the link in the description, you can sign up to our newsletter. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.